Haritavanam, developed and conceptualized by Vikhyat Infra Developers Private Limited.
Hi Rajnika, let us go to the site now. This is Secunderabad where we have started. Now we are going towards the Uppal Road, where you can see all the metro line and the stadium where the cricket matches will take place. Further we will be going to Uppal Ring Road. Okay. From there the site is 34 kilometers exactly to the Bolgir.
What are the developments will be there on the...
Like as we travel you can see that Singapore Township and there is a IT park. Infosys already nearly 12,000 people have been working there. And when we further proceed, like you will see the LIMS University. That's already it's going to be inaugurated in January first week. And it's a 300-bedded hospital and even a research center is there. The main thing is people want to be away from cities, free from pollution. And as it's the land rates are accelerating day by day.
Like what a guarantee can you give me about your site?
Like we have seen on the road, this is a highway, which was only, when you see a year back, it was only 2-lane road. Now as you practically see, it's a 8-lane road.
Yes.
And you can see so many, it's a highway like it and a wider road like. And this outer ring road also connecting to the Vijayawada highway and even to the Nagpur highway. From the side, as we go to the side like the transport is come to the Bolgir railway station. Like now we are going to get MMTS trains here now. I think within a year the trains are going to start. And as it is, you can see the bus terminal in Bolgir. You can see so many buses flying from different various places of the city.
Okay.
And it is just, I think it will be half an hour drive from any place to take the corner of the city now. Bolgir. Banks, schools, education institutions, hospitals, everything is existing in Bolgir. And in future, as the MMTS is coming, it will be only 20 minutes drive to Secunderabad from Bolgir. And now from Bolgir railway station, we will be going towards the Pragnapur road.
Okay.
When we travel 3 kilometers on this road, from highway to the parallel road, this is again a peripheral outer ring road which is connecting the various roads.
Okay.
Like behind the Yadgutta temple and all, this road is getting connected. You can see the mango plantation here.
Yes.
Each 200 square, we are giving you 9 mango plants where you can see the yield already. The flowers have come and it's ready for the yield within 2 months. And the development what we are providing is drip irrigation.
Okay, this is the mango plants what you are developing on the plot?
Yeah, we are eco-friendly,
Yes,
free from pollution like.
Yes.
That's the reason we are developing in full greenery. Because we have seen the city is overcrowded with pollution. Like when you grow the plants, like the pollution level will be very less. In future, the city develops more also.
Okay.
It is a 1,000 acres layout.
Okay.
And we have divided the plots into 300 and 200 square yards. And the bigger plots are 605 square yards. As we have mentioned, the rate is 750 rupees per square yard in this project. And we already, as you have seen, we have come up with one more project at Bibinagar, which you are already seeing.
Yeah.
There we have been quoting 850 rupees per square yard. That's only 300 acres project.
If I purchase the plot, how much time I can, what is any limited timings they need to be constructed the building?
Like, see, it depends. You can right now go for a farmhouse because the land is full vacant and we have only got our site building and the other little development there, and we are also developing a clubhouse in 40 acres here.
Okay.
Where we have a swimming pool, spa and everything, restaurant, restrooms and all. Already the land conversion is done for the residential from Panchayat. We have converted the land to residential layout. You can construct your building, but right at the moment all are going for the farmhouses because it's purely an investment.
Okay.
Within 5 years you can see there will be a lot of developments around. The full inhabitation will be there where you can construct and live happily with all the infrastructure around you.
So till yet you are going to be taking care of the plot?
Yes, till 3 years we are going to maintain it free of cost. Rajinigarh, this is the road we have travelled. Okay, this is Bolgir peripheral outer ring road. Like
Okay, the straight road.
Straight road, yeah.
Road.
Okay.
Okay.
And now we are taking a bypass here where we are entering the site.
Okay.
It's exactly half kilometer from the main highway. Okay. This is all you can see. This is a medical college, proposed medical college.
Yes, this is what I've seen on the road.
Yeah. And this is a substation which you have already seen.
Yes.
And this constructed farmhouse which you have seen, the wooden one which we are given there.
Yes.
This complete is 1,000 acres. We have divided into phases, like we already finished the first phase, second phase and the third phase.
Okay.
Now this is the fourth phase which we are selling now.
Okay.
In this, the corner plots are 300 square and the middle is 200 square.
Fine, Jamna Garu, I'm happy of your explanation thing and whatever seen on the reality on the road and site and everything.
Yeah.
Then I want to go with your plot.
Thank you, madam. You can please fill this application for us.
Okay, fine. Fine. Now I'm going to be pay the token amount for the 1 lakh for the 2 plots of the corner.
Okay, ma'am.
1 lakh rupee for the token related. I'm going to be clearing in 1 week or 10 days. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.